Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share how to do aloe vera ice facial at home. If you have not tried ice facial, you're really missing out. Ice facials are amazing. They help reduce inflammation, brighten dull skin, treat acne depending upon the herbs used, and they also help exfoliate the skin gently along with minimizing open pores. They also can be stored for a long time. For this ice facial, we need 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is aloe vera. I'm sure all of you must be aware of the skincare benefits of aloe vera. It is even more beneficial when we use it in the form of ice cubes, as it helps reduce inflammation very effectively. It is also very soothing on the skin. But make sure to wash the aloe vera leaf well to get rid of the green juice, as it can cause allergies in some people. The second ingredient we need is cucumber. Cucumber is also very soothing on the skin, and due to its high antioxidant content, it helps brighten dull skin. I got organic cucumbers from a neighboring farm, but if you don't have access to organic cucumber, peel the outer skin and then use. The last ingredient we need is fresh neem leaves. Neem, as we all know, has powerful antibacterial properties, and if used along with aloe vera, it helps treat acne very effectively. This ice facial will be beneficial for people suffering from all kinds of skin problems, including acne, dullness, pigmentation, suntan, and dark spots. Take the gel of 1 aloe vera leaf in a cup. Add in a handful of neem leaves. Cut a small cucumber and add it too. Finally, add half cup of water and grind to a smooth paste. Once ground, strain to get a smooth liquid. If you don't have access to fresh neem leaves, you can use neem powder too, but make sure to strain using a very fine strainer. You can also use aloe vera powder. I have already shared how to make aloe vera powder at home, and I leave the link for it in the description box below. Now pour into ice cube trays. Once done, freeze overnight. The next day, remove the ice cubes from the ice cube tray. To use, take an ice cube and rub it all over the face till it melts completely. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off. Since the liquid is very bitter, make sure it does not enter your mouth. For some people, applying ice cubes directly on the skin can cause headache and sinus infection. For them, I would suggest wrapping the ice cube in a thin muslin cloth before using. You can do this ice facial whenever you feel like it. This ice facial will do wonders to all types of skin. Along with treating acne effectively, it will also help fade scars. The leftover ice cubes can be stored in the freezer for a few weeks. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.